Okay, folks. I was going to water today, but I don't have time. Got off of a job today, and I got to go back later on. So this is going to be a quick video here. Okay, like I said, these tomatoes are done. They had it. They're not no good. Peppers here. Temperature right now is 67 Fahrenheit. The high today is supposed to be 82 Fahrenheit. And look like these plants had it anyway. I think I'm going to go ahead and pick this one here. Okay, I think it's supposed to start getting below freezing pretty soon. So we're picking this little pepper here. The grape tomatoes I picked it the last time, they came out great. They ripen. Take that. Okay, I'll take this yellow pepper. Oh, here's a big one here. I got my clippers, but I don't mind pulling them all because they're about done anyway. Anyway, we got this big one here. Yeah, it feels nice and tough. Let me see. Nice and sturdy, I won't call it. Let me look at these. That one I'll keep. This one I'll throw away. I think I'll pick up this pepper too. There's a weed in her. No, that don't look good. Throw that one away. So my garden's about over. If I can get anything out of it, I'll show it on the camera. If not, oh well. I still got some more stuff to put on my other channel. Some reviews. I'll pitch that one. And let's see what we got here. Beefsteak looks pretty good. Nope, except for this one. See that? Bugs on it. It wasn't even touching the ground. Yeah. I gotta figure out a way to... I don't want to use bug poison. I think I got something else in mind though. I might try next year. I'll pick these jalapenos. They're small, but pick them anyway. I don't think they're going to get any bigger. Keep a couple on there just in case. Okay. And let's see what we got here. There's that zucchini. Like I said, won't make it to winter, I don't think. I noticed when we're walking the puppy, it has a bunch of tomatoes, grape tomatoes. Pick these. We've been having a salad and putting tomatoes in it. Green ones are falling off. Yeah. Let's see what we got down here. Oh, I let the water hose out, didn't I? I was going to water today, but I don't feel up to it. I might water tomorrow. I don't know yet. Let's see what we got down here. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Yeah, these green tomatoes. Yeah, they don't look good. They're glassy. I think this is about it. Until next year. Don't forget to watch this spring when I regrow my tomatoes from the seeds I sliced open. Yeah, these peppers had it. They're no good. What we got here? Shelly was cutting down all the hostas and sage over here. That might be savable, I don't know. That's a pepperoncini, a red one. There's another one. Here's a green one. About to turn red. Let's see what kind of peppers I got over here. Yeah, it looks good. I don't think I'll cover anything back up again. Didn't seem like it helped any. Until I get a frost cloth. See if that works. Oh, what I see over there, I missed. On the ground, looks pretty good. Well, let's see what we got here. Nope, that ain't no good. Anyway, let's run to the strawberries. Okay, here we are at the strawberries. Yeah. I don't really see anything here. Okay. Of course, I don't expect these to produce until next year. Yeah, see. I need to trim some leaves off over here. Let me do that really quick. Okay, I'll take that strawberry. Hey, cutting the leaves was the only way they'll survive. Cutting the bad ones off. There's another one. Take that one. Okay. What's I'm gonna do here? And today's Wednesday. What is Wednesday? November 7th or 8th? I forget. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you're on my puppy videos, I'll be showing a lot of those. And if you're on my other one, Alan Unleashed, then I'm going to try to do a couple reviews. And until next time.